Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa, and today's video is going to be a hair tutorial because, you know, bored in quarantine, what else is there to do? So I got out of the shower a little while ago. My hair is like kind of drying already, but I figured today's tutorial is going to be a how I blow out my hair and style it, like the perfect blowout, half up, half down hair look. So to blow out my hair, I hope this cord's long enough. I use the Revlon hair curler because I don't know how to blow out my hair otherwise, and it's super quick, super fast, and I have really long hair, so it just, you know, really helps your girl out. I'm just gonna blow out my hair real quick and then I'll show you how I style it. But I usually don't use heat all the time on my hair. That's why my hair is super healthy and long. But I figured I'm bored, I kind of want to look cute, so I'm just gonna blow out my hair, and then that way I can wear my hair like that for a few days. So when I got in the shower, I just put on just this little serum, this Sea Berry hair serum, just on my ends, and then I use my wet brush. And yeah, so we're just gonna get started. So what I do is I like to section my hair. I'm using my viewfinder as a mirror. My mirror's in the corner, but I can't really see myself, so that's good. So I'll just go ahead and blow out my hair.
Lions roaring in the morning sun.
This thing makes your hair so soft and shiny. It's quite insane. So I'm now going to take it down my sections and I'm going to section it off again. Well, I like to brush it first. That way it's easier to go up in sections. So I'm just going to section it off again. I do this a lot of times because I have so much hair. And it's so long.
Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
Okay, I'm sitting on my bed right now, sorry. I want to show you guys my hair. I blew it out, but I want to show you how I do my bangs because it's really specific. I kind of just cut my bangs while in quarantine, so they're kind of short. So what I do is I grab my bangs and I put them together like this. And I'll take my blow dryer and just go like this while it's on, so I'll just show you. And then I do it backwards too, just to add volume. And then I'll go backwards and up and let them fall. And then I'll just brush my fingers through it. That way they have lots of volume and they're bouncy and really, really cute. So that being said, I'm gonna get on my knees real quick so I can show you guys. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like blow dried, or blown out, I guess. Lots of layers. I have super long hair, but it makes your hair just so shiny and soft and luscious. I love this thing. This Revlon, you need this. So we are going to style the hair. So you can leave your hair like this, which I love leaving my hair like this. It just makes my hair, hold on, let me show you. Makes my hair so long, my hair's like down to my butt. So you can like leave it like this. But my signature hairstyle is half up, half down. So I'm gonna show you what I do. So I take one of these just like brushes to like really smooth my hair out. And I kind of just start brushing my hair back. And I love sleek half up, half down. But I don't want to put hairspray in my hair right now because I just washed my hair. So I'm not gonna do that. So I like brush my hair back and I take like my index fingers. You can take your thumb. And I go right above my ears, you know, acting stupid. Well, what's happening? And I just take my hair, my fingers, and I just move them back. And then I like section off the hair in the back because your ponytail will get stuck. I'm going to just smooth like everything out. Like I usually will take my flyaways here and use hairspray and these too because I like a slick back look. But I like the messy look too. So today we're gonna go for a more messy look. So I'm gonna leave those little babies out. And I'm actually going to pull some, put that back. Sorry, I'm just like looking in the mirror because it's hard to do it on the viewfinder. So I'm gonna pull some bangs out just to frame the face. Okay. I am gonna just brush this back. I don't want my ponytail getting stuck. Okay, so I just place it like literally on top of my head and I wrap it around 3 times. Because I want it kind of loose and messy. If you're like in a rush. And then I have like so many baby hairs, so I'll just like take a little bit of serum. A tiny bit so my hair doesn't get like super greasy. And I'll kind of just, you know, hit them with that serum so they go back. But I just have so many baby hairs, it actually does not work that well. So I'll usually just like take this or even take like a little comb like this and just make sure everything's pulled back. But I like the messy look. So now let me show you. You use this, your hair has so much body and like volume. You can use texturizing spray. I love the one By the Way, but I just love how simple it is and how cute it is and effortless. So I'm going to show you what it looks like from the back. Just let me know when you can see this. Okay, so that's kind of like what it looks like in the back. It's so cute. Like I just love the way it looks because when you like blow out your hair's like in all different directions and it gives it so much volume and texture. I love it. So this is my quick quarantine hairstyle. It's super cute, super easy. You don't have to blow out your hair if you don't want to. I usually leave my hair super natural for this because I have like really wavy hair, but I love the volume. These can go back if you don't want them, but it just frames the face. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this quick little like hair tutorial for when you're bored or for post-quarantine. And yeah, follow my socials and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!